Welcome to the ECOPS Idea Management module, your organization's central hub for innovation. Let's learn how to submit an idea using the Idea Management module. To begin, click on Idea Management from the main menu. On the home page, select New Idea. You'll be directed to a page displaying various campaigns. Choose the campaign relevant to your idea, and then click on Create an Idea. You'll now arrive at the Submit Idea page. Start with the Problem Statement section. Here, describe the issue or opportunity for improvement. You can fill in the details by typing in the fields or using voice recording. Voice input is supported in multiple languages, such as Arabic, Hindi, Spanish, and more. The system will translate and process your input into English, with AI assistance to help craft clear and concise sentences. In this section, answer 5 key questions. 1. What is the problem or opportunity for improvement? 2. When did it occur? 3. Where did it happen? Such as the specific location or site. 4. What is the scale of the problem, including measurable metrics? 5. And how do you know it's a problem, for example, through customer complaints, delivery delays, or other indicators? Once you've completed the responses, click Generate, and the AI will create a summarized version of your problem statement. In the example shown in this video, the user reports that the current product design causes spills. You can also upload a visual by clicking Choose File under Problem Image. Next, provide a title for your idea. Select a category, such as productivity, quality, or cost. Then, choose the relevant department. If multiple people contributed to the idea, you can also add the names of additional idea generators. Now move to the Solution section by clicking on Next button. Provide a brief summary of your proposed solution, along with any supporting details. You can also upload media files here for additional context. Finally, complete the idea flow assessment to categorize your idea. This step helps determine the type of idea being submitted. If the idea is simple, requires no budget or resources, and involves no health or safety risks, it can be categorized as an I1, just do it idea. It may be already implemented or ready for immediate execution. If the idea is more complex, it will fall under categories I2, I3, or I4, and will require further approval from the TC and SC.
Let's deep dive into how we do the assessment. In this assessment, there are 3 key questions used to evaluate each idea. First question: is the idea implemented? If you select yes, the idea will be tagged as I1 and stored in the idea library. This will mark the idea as closed. If you select no, the process moves to the second question. Second question: does it need support, people, or investment? If you select yes, the idea will be forwarded to the technical committee for support evaluation. If you select no, the process proceeds to the third question. Third question: does it have risk? If you select yes, the idea will be sent to the technical committee for further review. If you select no, the idea will be tagged as I1 and forwarded to the project manager for execution.
Once all sections are complete, click Submit and your idea will get submitted.